Hi guys, today is Friday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys, for another everything that I purchased or ordered from Amazon this week. Last week was a bit of it was a bit chaotic in terms of our new location here. As you can see, we're back down here in the basement, but I have to get used to the arrangement down here in terms of unpacking everything. I think I have it for today's video. I think I like the difference in the setup today. We'll see. But happy Friday. Hope you all are well. I hope you have some fun things planned for the weekend. Let's get our mic on. Today's fit, Eric and I are about to head out. She is ready for a cute little casual 1-2 in the Atlanta streets. So in the last video, right, I shared with you all that my new love in terms of Amazon fits. Right, the original love was were the PJs, right? I loved them so much that I wore them outside of the house. Very tastefully done, but I did wear them outside of the house. And so now for spring and summer, I think I want to be a little bit more, uncovered. I am just in love with the fit. They are easy, they are breezy. I think I mentioned in the last video that, these are unlike some of the jumpers that we buy from other places in that they don't have a zipper, right? It's not a whole bunch of buttons in the back, and it's not cumbersome when we need to use the restroom. The strap here is elastic. You guys know, you just pull down, quick 1-2, do your business. Nice stretchy elastic bodice. You can size up, you can size down. I prefer to size up because I like a longer length. Right? So I would suggest size up if you want it to be really tall girl friendly. But yeah, so that's today's fit. And we're gonna go ahead and hop into the first item of the video. It is this O-CEDAR Easy Ring Mop. Do you guys like how I just pulled this out? There was no unwrapping and things like that. Drop down, leave a comment, let me know. Would you rather me open the items on camera, or do you want me to just go ahead and have them all ready? I don't know, I think I like this. Maybe we'll do a combination of the two. We'll see, we will see. But so guys, I think pollen and the little squiggly things in our backyard, I think we have seen the last of them, except for the ones that are still on my deck. So what I am going to do, today's Friday, what I will be doing all day tomorrow is working on my back porch. I have an enclosed, screened-in porch, and then I have another half of the porch, which is just outside, open to the elements. The way I am looking forward to being outside on tomorrow, cleaning my porch, should be studied. No one should be this excited to be outside cleaning, but I'm looking forward to it. I have a TV out there. I have a air conditioner. But yes, I have an air conditioner on my porch. So what you do is, and I'll have to share that with you all in another video, you put water in it and you plug it in. We have outlets out there and it blows cool air. I have ceiling fans up in the top. I am about to be outside, okay, with my little lemonade, feet kicked up. You guys know in a previous video, I also shared my seat covers, right? The ones that are on there now on my cushions outside, those are going in the trash. As soon as I hit the porch tomorrow, they're going in the trash. They're done. So I can't wait to put my new ones on. But first things first, I'm gonna have to mop out there, right? So many of you left just really good suggestions as to how to get rid of all of the pollen and the little pollen-filled squigglies. Many of you said just get you a mop and get out there and go to work. And so that's what I did. So I love this O-CEDAR one. It comes with, look at that. Now, will this have to go into the trash after tomorrow? Absolutely, it's gonna be ruined. Very easy to put together, and you just put this on here, fill your water, fill your bucket with your water, your cleaning solution, and you are good to go. I love this little pedal right here. helps to wring the mop out. Then, you know, keeping in line with the cleaning, guys. It's spring cleaning and we have to have all of the things. So I have some Swiffer Sweeper dry sweeping cloths. All right, I ordered 2 boxes of these. You guys will have to drop down, leave a comment, let me know which fragrance you are partial to. I absolutely love the lavender. Speaking of lavender, as we move through this video, and you know, I was just talking about being outside, guys, please tell me we're not the only ones having a critter issue in their yard. Cute as they might be, the chipmunks have gotten on our last nerve. We're upset, had it up to here with the chipmunks, right? If I were to take the camera off the tripod right now and head out of this door, we're in the back, right? We're downstairs in the basement, that's the backyard. If I were to take the camera off the tripod and we go on a little field trip to the back, it would look like we have the makings of the start of a golf course. There's so many holes in the yard, and it's the chipmunks. They have decimated the backyard. It's a mess. I'm gonna let them have the backyard. But you can't eat. I don't think they're eating the grass. I don't know what they're digging for, but the front yard, they've started to do it also. So we have like a little sidewalk in our front yard, and what they've done is dig underneath the concrete slab sidewalk, and they have holes all along there. They live in there. I just stand at the window and watch them go in and out, in and out, in and out. Fine. But where I draw the line is them digging up the flower beds. We can't do that. I'm not going to put up with that. Now listen, no one needs to call PETA. I'm not going to be out here taking the lives of the chipmunks, but I am going to put out some deterrent. So I did a little Google research, you know, asked ChatGPT, like what can be done? And the interwebs said, girl, you got to get you some peppermint oil. Again, we are doing all things cleaning around here. When I tell you, if you have a scuff on your wall and for the life of you, you cannot get it off, give these Mr. Clean magic erasers a try. They work wonders on scuffs on the wall. If you have some new furniture, you've moved in and you've dinged the wall and it's left a little mark, give these a try. Now, don't give all of your elbow muscles into the rubbing, because you're going to rub the paint off the wall, but you have a little light scratch or mark that you want to get off. These are great. The last item, I think I love now the movement of the videos since we've switched locations. I can get in and out a lot quicker, and you know, we can be on to the next thing. I am a hotel snob through and through, and I'm also a germaphobe, and when I get to hotels, it takes me a minute to kind of relax and settle in. I mentioned, I think it was the last video, that we had done a split stay, and I don't know why I did it. It was my idea. Eric was like, are you sure you want to do this? But we did a split stay at a resort that it's great. You know, it wasn't the resort, it was me. So I have to be true to myself, and I just got to do the things that I feel are in line with who I am. You know, at a certain point, you got to be true to yourself. And I like staying at certain accommodations, right? And that wasn't it. So to help me get through my travels, the bathroom is always a point of contention for me, right? So I have to use all types of aromatherapy to help me kind of calm down, and girl, you're gonna be okay. We gonna get through this. And so I found that the CREMO brand is really, really, really good for that. And Amazon, thankfully, has all the fragrances, right? So I'm loving the Wild Irish Musk. I took this one. I had just a little bit left, and amazing. This smells so good. You want to fight somebody, right? So I took, my bottle was about down here, and I use a lot of soap. I use a lot of soap. So I can't really use like the little travel containers because I use so much. And so I needed to re-up. There's another one that I really love. So this is the body wash, but I also love the, gosh, what is it? The body scrub, I think it is. It's a new one. It's new to me anyway. It's like vanilla musk. Outstanding. Again, the CREMO fragrances for me, you just want to fight somebody. It smells so good. But anyway, I love that. Everything, guys, that I have shared with you here today will absolutely be linked down below in the description box per the usual. All right, please don't forget, I am in dire need of help for the chipmunks. Let me know what y'all are doing to keep the critters out of the yard. I know they're cute. I love sometimes, you know, because I've given up the backyard to them. I love to sit and watch them sitting on top of my benches in the backyard, eating and whatever they're doing with their little hands. It's cute. It is cute. But the front yard, we spend too much on having the landscaping done in the front and having plants planted for them to just be kicking over the mulch looking for, I don't know what they're looking for. I don't know what they're eating, and that there are no acorns in the bed. There are none. And I feel like this year the chipmunk numbers are out of control. Like, where are the squirrels at? I hardly ever see squirrels in the yard now. Before, that was the issue. Now it's the chipmunks. I guess the chipmunks have run off all the squirrels, and I don't know where the hawks at. But anyway, I'm not advocating for the hawks to eat the chipmunks. Really appreciate y'all stopping in to hang out with me today. Let me know what y'all are doing for the weekend. I just told y'all what I'm doing. She's going to be cleaning all weekend, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to go out there, put all my fragrances. I'm going to put some of the peppermint and my little lemon oil in my water, and I'm just going to fragrance scent up my porch right there. I'm going to have my TV on, probably watching some good YouTube or some DIY show or something, just really enjoying myself. So I hope you guys find something enjoyable to do this weekend. Really appreciate y'all stopping in to hang out with me for this, everything that I ordered from Amazon. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.